In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own Patreon account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an artist, musician, podcaster, or any kind of creator, setting up a Patreon account is a fantastic way to connect with your audience and offer them a chance to support you financially. Let's get started with step 1. First, head over to patreon.com and locate the Get Started button. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating your account. As a new user, you have a few options to sign up. You can use your email address or opt for a quicker way by logging in with your Google, Apple, or Facebook account. Choose the method that works best for you and remember to keep track of your login credentials for future access. Next, you'll need to enter some important details. Begin by filling in your name and choosing a solid, strong password. A good password typically combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure security. Once you've completed this step, continue to move forward in setting up your page. Now, it's time to name your page. This could be your own name if you're building a personal brand or something more creative if you want to reflect the nature of your content. Think about how you want your patrons to remember your work. The name is key to setting a lasting impression. If your content might not be suitable for individuals under the age of 18, make sure to check the appropriate box. This step is crucial to ensure you comply with Patreon's terms and maintain a safe community for your viewers. Following this, you'll need to create a URL for your page. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right away, as you'll have the option to modify this URL later if needed. A clean and easy to remember URL can help followers find you more easily. Consider linking your social media accounts next. By connecting platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter, you make it simpler for fans to discover your Patreon page. However, if you'd prefer, you can skip this step for now and return to it later. With the basics covered, it's time to dive into setting up your page and memberships. You'll find customization options essential to tailor your profile to your brand. This includes creating membership tiers, which you can do by clicking on the Membership tab. Here, you can define different levels of support and offer exclusive content to your patrons at varying price points. Ensure that you connect a payment method to your account, a vital step that enables you to receive pledges from your supporters. Once your page looks the way you want it to and everything is set up, you're just about there. Finally, take a deep breath and hit the Publish button to make your page live. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Patreon account, ready to welcome supporters and engage with your community. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.